Americans are spending a jaw-dropping average of $48,700 on a new SUV in 2025. That's not just a purchase, it's a life-changing investment for most families. But what if that dream SUV turns into a nightmare on wheels? Behind the shiny ads and slick marketing lies a harsh truth. Some of these SUVs are ticking time bombs of expensive repairs, endless headaches, and outright safety risks. We've pored over the latest Consumer Reports data to expose the 12 most unreliable SUVs flooding the market this year. Buckle up. You're about to find out which models to absolutely avoid, saving yourself money, time, and frustration. Before we jump in, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss crucial car buying insights like this. Number 12. The 2025 Jeep Compass. You see it on the lot. The rugged Jeep badge, the promise of adventure. But don't be fooled. The Compass is a decade-old design barely updated, and it's falling apart at the seams. With a pitiful 33 out of 100 reliability score, expect oil-guzzling engines, jerky gear shifts, and tech that freezes more than your smartphone in winter. One owner summed it up perfectly. "I was furious when the engine devoured all the oil. It's like driving a money pit disguised as a Jeep." Number 11. 2025 Chevrolet Blazer looks sharp, but hides serious fuel system glitches that cause dangerous engine stalls. Add premature transmission failures, turbocharger issues, and buggy tech, and you've got a recipe for disaster. It scores just 32 out of 100 on reliability, a risky gamble for any midsize SUV buyer. Number 10. 2025 GMC Yukon. This big, bold SUV carries a hefty sticker price, around $60,000 to $90,000. Buyers expect premium quality, but instead get major engine failures linked to its controversial fuel management system, transmission problems, and recalls for emissions and potential catastrophic engine breakdowns. Its 31 out of 100 reliability score proves even luxury doesn't guarantee peace of mind. Number 9. 2025 Chevrolet Tahoe. Sharing its DNA with the Yukon, the Tahoe suffers from the same powertrain nightmares and electronics glitches. Reliability? Also 31 out of 100. Think twice before dropping serious cash on this full-size SUV. Number 8. 2025 Dodge Hornet Plug-in Hybrid. This supposed comeback compact SUV turns out to be a flop. Stuck in dealers' lots for months, owners battle constant warning lights, weak power delivery, glitchy infotainment, and even safety recalls that could risk brake failure. Ranked 30 out of 100, the Hornet lives up to Dodge's reputation. $50,000 for headaches. Number 7. 2025 Jeep Wrangler. An iconic off-road legend. Yes. Reliable? Not so much. Steering problems, early suspension wear, tech freezes. This off-roader has a 27 out of 100 reliability score. One owner lamented, "Love the Jeep image, hate the constant dealer visits." Number 6. 2025 Volkswagen Taos. Underpowered with just 158 horsepower and plagued by unpredictable throttle responses and an 8-speed transmission that struggles to shift right. This subcompact SUV scores a dismal 24 out of 100. Electrical gremlins and cheap interiors make it clear. This is no driver's dream. Number 5. 2025 Volkswagen Atlas and Atlas Cross Sport. Another VW with the same woes: rough transmission shifts, lagging infotainment, and interior rattles. Starting near $40,000, these SUVs' 24 out of 100 reliability rating exposes the gap between price and performance. Number 4. 2025 Jeep Wagoneer, touted as Jeep's flagship luxury SUV, but packed with tech glitches and a problematic new twin-turbo inline-six engine. The Wagoneer scores a worrying 22 out of 100, proving that even luxury SUVs can come with costly compromises. Number 3. 2025 Ford Escape Hybrid, promising fuel economy but delivering headaches. The Escape Hybrid suffers battery malfunctions, inconsistent driver assists, and cheap interior quality. It earns a low 21 out of 100 and falls far behind rivals like Toyota and Honda. Number 2. 2025 Mazda CX-70 and CX-90P HEVs. Mazda's leap into plug-in hybrids stumbles hard. Charging faults, sudden power losses, and glitchy infotainment plague these models. With a shocking 15 out of 100 reliability score, these SUVs struggle to inspire confidence in a competitive market. Number 1. 2025 Jeep Grand Cherokee and Grand Cherokee PHEV. Topping the unreliable list with a brutal 12 out of 100 score, the Grand Cherokee suffers from powertrain breakdowns, electrical failures, and endless dealership visits. A name once synonymous with premium SUVs now equates to expensive frustration. If any of these SUVs are on your radar, think twice before signing on the dotted line. Hit subscribe and join us for more expert breakdowns to help you make smart, worry-free car choices in 2025 and beyond.